My name is Chirag. I'm the CEO online coaching at Moksh versus Educon. And today we are going to understand about the global medical licensing examinations, which kind of exams are there and how do you tackle it, in terms of your career planning, if I am a student in first year, what do I do? If I'm a student in second year, what do I do? If I'm an intern, how do I plan my career? A quick disclaimer before I start my discussion. Whatever I share with my students is my own experience of helping thousands of students for so many years now, and it does not reflect the official policies of any of the bodies. We just want to make sure we are a very well informed company. We are not a company who speculate, and we're very clear. Our idea is to do a career planning for the students, and not to kind of speculate on things. All right, so how important are the license examinations? Since you guys are in first second year, it's a very obvious question. You need to understand, you all are medicos. Sometimes the obvious becomes like very illogical sometimes. So medical profession or MBBS is the only field, you know where you can own a Nano, you can own a Mercedes, you can study in any medical college. Doesn't matter. You might study in Harvard, you might study in a med school in Russia, you might study a med school in India. Doesn't matter. If you do not clear the license examination, your degree has no value. It is exactly like buying a posh new car. So all of us know the fact that without having a driving license, we will not be allowed to kind of practice. And that is exactly the scenario with your medical degree. In whichever country, including India, if you guys wish to practice, the way you guys are focused on your MBBS and preparing for your med school, exams, equal level of focus is required for you guys to prepare for the license examination, because without the license examination you will not be allowed to step in a med school, in a hospital, in a clinic. That's the mandate from Medical Council of India. And as of now, we don't know how, COVID brings a lot of surprises, but until now, as per the uh, policy, MBBS 2017 onwards batch are bound to give these license examinations even in India, right? So today in this discussion, while I talk about India, we will slowly understand about the world as well. Okay. So I'm sure all of you are aware of this 2019 education policy, which was announced, stating a centralized exit examination for MBBS education. Earlier, students who were studying in an medical college outside India, they had to appear this exam called as FMGE, right? And if I was a student from a med school in India, if I didn't wish to kind of pursue PG, I could straight away look for a job in a hospital or start my own clinic, no problem. But now, whether I wish to do PG or I don't wish to do PG, whether I study in a government college or a private college, whether I study in India or outside India, everyone has to give a global level of a license exam called as the next. So your orientation has to be little different than what your seniors was. I definitely know medical students, 90% of them just follow what the seniors did. But however, you guys, the next 3-4 batches, you guys are pioneer. You will have to rewrite the history and reroute the chart map about how serious are these license examinations from first year. Okay, please understand this. Your seniors didn't have to bother because they didn't have to appear. Next, they were happily appearing the NEET PG or directly started working as an MBBS physician, but you guys have to. Your degree is dependent on this license examination. So that's a request from the team of Moksh that you guys take these things seriously, right? Planning is very important for two things: license and PG. Okay, these are two different things, and you need to accordingly plan your career, right? Is scoring low in next going to be a problem? Satya, next is an exam which will serve two purposes. One, I'm not sure whether you guys, Satya, you appeared for the NEET examination, NEET undergrad. Okay, let me clarify this question, very important you've asked. Okay, let us understand this very, very properly, so that, because many of you are going to be writing the next examination, so please understand this very clearly. See, next has two purposes. Okay, you have to get a minimum qualifying marks the way you had in the NEET UG, so that you can start practicing and later on go to US if you wish to go. Or, and if you have a good rank, using that rank you can apply for PG. Are you getting it? So as long as your plan is to go to US, as long as you qualify the next, that is enough for you to consider a US pathway. How should a final year student prepare for USMLE? Not written step one. Nothing, Renuka. If you are a final year student, don't do anything. I will recommend you to just focus on your final year. Once your internship starts, that's when you can begin the step one journey with us.